Hi! In front of me is REALME C17, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one. Following that, click on Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you're done, go back. And to create new alarm, click on this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you finished, you need to decide if you wish to apply ring once or custom. If you decided to pick custom, click on it and tap on repeat. Then pick days of the week, and when you finished, go back. Now you can click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Nextly, tap on those two switches next to vibrate and snooze to switch off or on those two features. Then tap on ringtone. Over here you have a couple of options. You can click on weather adaptive at the top. Tap on select from files and pick any song from your device. Or just apply one of those system ringtones, like relax. Wherever you decided when you finished, just click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off completely, tap on the blue sweater next to it. Then click on one of those options. You can turn it back on by choosing the same, now gray sweater. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, make some changes and choose the same check mark. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!